Why do you think Jesus is important?
Jesus is important because I think he is the way maker. He is somebody in our life who guides us. So without that, we all have no purpose. I mean, I don't have any purpose to live without the concept of Jesus being there. We are inner sure of resurrection, inner sure of redemption, inner sure of his love. So I think that's why Jesus is very, very important for everybody.
Anything specific he's done to you in your life?
I think every little thing in my life, Jesus has done that. From my birth, from the time I was born, that itself is a big testimony. I was supposed to die, so I came out alive. And from this day, from my job, from my engineering, every minute thing, I have seen God's hand do that because I have not done it by myself. I know that much with my human wisdom or everything of this world. I have not done everything in my life has been, like a chess coin. It has been taken one and one step. I think God has helped me put that, and I am sure that if I am with Jesus, I pray every day, so the future of my life will also be pushed by God. So yes, everything Jesus has done in my life.
Initially, you said that you were not supposed to be born. Possible to elaborate on that?
So what happened was when I was in my mom's stomach, everything was good until the time of delivery. I was about to be crushed and removed. So because it didn't turn
Yeah.
out that way, I think I turned upside down in my mom's stomach and my face stuck in the bone. So it got
Oh.
stuck. So because of that, I was supposed to be crushed and removed. So what my dad was very strong in faith. Even today, he's they both are doing ministry for God. So that day also, he sat in the room and he started crying that Jesus, I don't want this baby to die. And he was crying deliberately and he was praying very loudly. And the doctors and the nurses were also shocked that somehow they managed to deliver this baby. And I had all these wounds when I was born. It was all over my face. It was still the time I was in senior junior, but God brought me out alive. And that's what my mom says, that you have a purpose and it's for God. So that's why I like to do God's mission. And that is also one of the reasons why I'm into catechism.
That's a miracle, huh, actually.
Yeah.
In short, no words to describe that.
Yeah.
But really good. You don't mind me putting this part now?
You surely can.
Yeah, I'll put it separately actually because it was really good.